Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video, we are going to sketch this funny vector with Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see, it's my second time that I'm sketching. I know this sketches look weird because this is used a pen to sketch. We have to use the pencil. So still, this is a sketch. So we're going to make a vector out of this. We are going to design this. So the first thing we are going to do is here that we're going to select this image. Let me double click at the image. Okay, we are going to double click here. So click on dim image. As you can see, 50% is going to be okay, and also we are going to lock it. So what we are going to do here, we have to rotate this because this sketch is really not aligned, so we are going to align it. Okay, now we need to lock this. As you can see, if we are going to sketch this kind of design, the lines doesn't look good. So what we can do here, we are going to use this pen tool and we are going to make a new layer here. Let's add a new layer. So as you can see here, we are going to click on the top and we are going to press shift to make. So we're going to put the line up to here. So first we are going to make one side, then we are going to make a copy so we can add the second side as well. So let me select this ellipse tool. So I'm going to put this ellipse tool just here. Okay, let's make it only a stroke. We are going to remove the palette color. Let me increase the stroke size. Go to edit, make a copy out of this, paste in place. Let me control plus to zoom in. So now we are going to make a copy again, paste in place. So we are going to scale this. Let me remove the stroke size. And also for this part of the noise, let me increase the stroke size. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make a copy out of this to make the ears. Also we're going to make another copy. Let me use this direct selection tool. So now we are going to scale this and we're going to put it just right here. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to design the head. So again, we can use this ellipse tool for the head part. So we're going to use this. So let me resize this so we can fit the head. So now we are going to use this direct selection tool. Let me remove this part, and also we are going to add a path here, and again we are going to use this direct selection tool and this time we are going to remove this part. So now what we are going to do here is that as you can see from this line, we can actually here we need to add some more, because as you can see the lines just the sketches doesn't logo, so that's why it show me. So don't worry, we are going to fix that. So again, we are going to use the pen tool. So let me click one here, and also we are going to make the neck. So now I think we missed to make this mouth, so we are going to use the pen tool again, and also we are going to make this funny teeth. We are going to click at this rectangle shape. Also we have to round all these points for this vector. So we are going to make some copies, 1 2 3, and it's going to be 4. So now time to make this nose as well. So now let me remove this part of this image. I think the only thing that we need to here fix is this eyes. So we're going to Control C, Control V. Let me scale this. We can put it here. Okay, now looks good. So we're going to and also we missed something for the hair, but we are going to do it later on, because for now let me remove this, and here we are going to make some copies out of this. But before we are going to make some copies, we have to fix these lines. Let me increase the stroke size, and also for this line we are going to use this shape builder tool to remove the extra line from the ears. So now we are going to remove this part and also this part. Okay, let me see the image. Okay, now we are going to make a copy. By pressing shift, we are going to unselect some of these lines that we don't want to make a copy, so we are going to group it first. So now Control C, Control V. Let me right click and go to this transform, click on reflect, and we are going to put it just right here. So now what we need to do here, we are going to select both of these shapes that we have. We are going to align it. So as you can see, for the mouth still we have to fix something, like we are going to move it just right here. And also for The neck, we are going to use again the pen tool, and we are going to close it right here. And also for the neck shadow, so we are going to okay, now let me get my pen tool, and here we are going to close this neck, and also we are going to add a shadow. So let me see the shadow for the image that we have here. I think it's going to start from this place to this point. Also, let me close the head. So we are going to do here, we can use the pen tool to make a complete line. So now time to change the hair. So we are going to again use the pen tool. So we are going to start from here. So now as you can see, it looks like we are done with this. So we are going to fix some of the hair. As you can see, I'm going to bring it just right. And let me select everything, and we are going to click at this shape builder tool. As you can see here, we can change some colors if we want to. So we are going to use some color here for the face. Let me select a color. So we are going to add a color to the face, and also for the ears. For the eyes, it's going to be okay, so we don't want to change anything. And also for this here, we need to change, but we are going to use something like I think here we need to fill the color for the neck as well. So now we are going to delete this image. So we are going to delete this. So now what we are going to do for some of I think here we are going to ungroup everything. Let me move this to the back of the page so we can see the eyes part. So now let me change some colors. First we are going to ungroup. Let me select a color for, as you can see, it looks really funny, guys. So when you're going to sketch something, so be careful, because when you're going to sketch anything, it's going to, it depend on your sketch when you're going to design or something. So be careful when you're going to sketch something, because whatever you sketch is going to be available for the design. So as you can see, for the hair, we are going to select this color, which is black. Also, if you want to remove the stroke, you can do, but I'm not going to change anything for the stroke. So let me select each of these, and we are going to, let me group it. Okay, we are going to make it 0 because we don't want to use this. So Control G, and here for the ears, let's just try to make something this color. And also for this portion of the hair, so we're going to change something like, let's try this color. We are going to again use this color, but this time we are going to make it a little bit darker. Okay, for this part we are going to use this eyedropper tool, and let's select this one as well. Okay, now we are going to, what we are going to do, that we need to change this color to something like this. Maybe we are, for the neck it's going to be okay, but for this part is going to be the shadow part, so we're going to select this one. So as you can see, now we have really cool and funny vector we have inside Adobe Illustrator. So whenever you're trying to make this kind of vector inside Adobe Illustrator, be careful about when you're going to sketch up everything inside your paper. So if your sketch is doesn't looks good, so you can put a line between them and you can start. As you can see, this is looking really weird and really not in a good sketch. It means that it's not sketched very good. But here, as you can see, when we are going to make this kind of vector with Adobe Illustrator, make sure when you're going to bring your sketch, that middle line is really going to help you, because when you're going to put this middle line, you can sketch better. So now what we are going to do here, we are going to fix this mouth as well. I think it doesn't look good, so we have to fix this. Okay, we are going to rotate this. Let's make it something like, I think now it looks good. So we are going to group everything, and we are going to put it on the center of the artboard. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned how to sketch a vector from the paper inside Adobe Illustrator. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.